Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you quick fix repair phone after Android update. Bring default system version. Before we start, I made this video. If you have if you have problem with your phone because of update, and go to the settings icon. Let's start. So maybe you have a light crash or your battery got a drain faster. You can bring the factory setting, you can bring the default system version by scroll down and try to search the additional setting on your phone and try to search backup and reset. Or if you don't have this additional setting, just go to the search, the top, you can type manually reset. Try to search this one, backup and reset. So in this backup and reset, there is some option here. You can backup and restore data, or you can erase all data, or factory reset. If you have a lot of trouble, I recommend you to reset all data, erase all data, or make your phone back into factory settings. Or you have just a small trouble, you can erase system or reset system setting only. Or you can, if you have trouble with a network, you can reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network settings. Or you can erase a downloaded apps and their data. If you have a malware, if you have a virus maybe in your phone, you can erase this. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, thanks button below. See you in the next video.